What's going on? Second grade. All right, we're going to get using our 10 fingers. We're on our Chromebooks all the time, our computers. We got to make sure we are using our fingers. All right, all 10 fingers. Now we're in second grade. We want to move away from those chicken peckers. All right, so many of you busted the myth last week. I posted a video of my main man, Ryan, busting the myth, so you have to check that out. I also posted a video of the Mythbusters. Look how big their paper was and how far they went to bust this myth. You guys did an amazing job. So many of you busted the myth. I absolutely loved it. All right, so right here, I got a welcome back video. Mr. Lane's in the lab. Check out that video here. All right, so today we're gonna be using Typetastic. So you wanna click on this link right here. You got Mr. Lane telling you, say, click right here. Now, if you missed something, all right, I got my tutorial there. So I'm gonna click on this link right here. We used Typetastic last year. So I want you to work for 20 minutes. I wanna see how far you can get in 20 minutes. So you want to click on these. Here's unit 1. And so once I click on unit 1, we have to fix the keyboard. So we have keyboard builder, frog pond patrol. You guys love frog pond patrol. And it goes in as we get towards unit 2, astro bubbles, ducky trouble. All right, so we want to kind of see you guys using all of your fingers as we are getting better using technology. So for keyboard builder here, we remember this from last year. Volume. All right. All right, I'm gonna click on number 1. Somebody broke our keyboard, our big friend. That's not good. All right, now we got to build our keyboard. So we want to make sure we find all those things. So you want to click on the letters, and then we want to figure out where do these things go on our keyboard. You're gonna use your arrow keys. And you want to hit the down button to drop those. Oh, Mr. Lane failed. Oh man, what a bummer. I'm gonna move this over and I drop that in and boom, there you go. So you want to work through these levels here to get these all situated. And when you get to your next levels here, all right, so here's unit 1. Watch out, frog pond patrol. Watch out for those. Watch out for those bubbles. All right, stay away from the bubbles. And then when we come back here, there's a video there. Why is the keyboard set up this way? Why isn't it like A, B, C, D? Make it nice and easy. We have a QWERTY keyboard, and so you can kind of figure out what that is. And when we turn it in, all you're gonna do is hit the green button at the top here. Oh, I'm not in student view here. All right, you're gonna hit the button at the top here, and you're just gonna hit turn in. Pretty easy assignment. So you wanna do 20 minutes this week on 20 minutes of using your 10 fingers, people. 10 fingers. All right, so make sure we get all those fingers going. I'm going to go back to student view here so you can kind of see that button there. All right, going to move Mr. Lane's head out of here. So once I go in the student view, I'm going to click on, it's loading. I'm going to go to modules. And when I click on Typetastic, once you've done your 20 minutes, make sure you come back and mark as done. That's all you have to do to turn it in there. All right, 20 minutes. I want to see how many units can you get through in 20 minutes. Use those 10 fingers. We're in second grade. No more chicken peckers. All right, second grade. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I can't wait.